Mohr's circle of stresses will be explained to you. Okay, so what is Mohr's circle? I introduced this very briefly in the previous video. Okay, it's just a geometric interpretation that can be constructed to explain an element with two principal stresses, 1 and 2. So as we found previously, we have these two principal stresses, and we said principal stresses indicate the maximum and minimum normal stresses, and at these points the shear stress is absolutely 0. Okay, so if we consider the following element with normal stresses x and y, so x the horizontals and y the verticals, and the shear stresses, as you can see. Okay, and it's rotated anti-clockwise by an angle theta, as you can see here. Okay, so sign convention for shear stresses. Alright, they're positive if we have anti-clockwise moments, and vice versa. So if the shear stresses produce clockwise moments, they're minus. Okay, so if you look at this shear stress and this one here, they're turning the page in the anti-clockwise way. This means we have positive moments, and looking at this shear stress over here and this one, they're causing to rotate in the clockwise direction, so they're negative. Okay, they have negative. So if we look at this point over here, we'd have and the sign convention for normal stresses. So in terms of x, pointing to the right means we have a positive normal stress, pointing to the left means we have a negative normal stress. For the y normals, for the y normal stresses, the verticals, pointing down means minus, pointing up means positive. Okay, well, but on how do we indicate this? If we take this one over here, this point, we'd have normal stress x and tau